It's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. So today I'm going to be unboxing Bijou Beauty Box. This is a monthly subscription, runs $30 a month with no additional tax or shipping costs. And if you're interested in subscribing to them, I'll actually leave a link down below. It includes about 4 to 5 mix of full or sample size products. There is a card that comes included. I'll save that for later. A body scrub, and this is a charcoal body scrub made in Australia. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna open it up because I'm really curious. I've never seen a body scrub. Ugh. That is what it looks like. You're supposed to add water to it and then gently exfoliate your skin. Oh wow, you can really smell the peppermint on this. This runs $15. Dr. Jart Plus, and it's intense moisturizing sheet mask. And it's a single-use mask, so you only get one try to make it count. Runs $6. So my face is freshly washed. Ooh, I'm a little bummed. I thought it would be like a bright yellow. It's a little bit yellow. It's really thick. This is not going to be ripping anytime soon, I can tell you that. And I just leave this on for 10 to 20 minutes. It's not dry at all. There's no tingle, but it definitely does feel super moisturized. Oh, got some of that on my lips. I didn't really want to do that. So you just rub it in. The only thing I didn't like about it is that it's so small, and like the rest of my face is like, what about me? Oh, my skin feels so good. Oh wow, that was a really good mask. I've seen more expensive masks and I've seen cheaper masks for $6. I don't think I would buy it, but I'm glad I got to try it out because it felt really, really good. If you have dry skin, this is the mask for you. Sun's Out by Chentilly Cosmetics. Sun's Out, Buns Out. I'm not putting my buns out because I got stretch marks. Now, if that doesn't scream summer, I don't know what does. That's so cute. It's a little card included. What the colors are. 12 colors. Super cute. But let's swatchy swatch. Sandcastle. Ooh, Sandcastle. It's like almost non-existent light. BBB. I don't know how I feel about this palette. Colors are not showing up. Sunny. Okay, there's Sunny. Sunny's good. Hot Tamale. Whoa. Now Hot Tamale showing. She is showing up. Fuego. Whoa. Now Fuego shows up. And this is Nudie Booty. Ooh. Okay. Okay, Nudie Booty. Honey Bun. Whoa. Sun Bum. Almost matched to my skin tone. Mimosa. She is pretty. Glazed. Whoa! Okay, well, glaze just showed up and showed out. Tan lines. Look at that shimmer. And Senorita. So those are the shimmers. And these are all the mattes. Alright, let's play with some colors. So I started off with Sun Bum. It's like a perfect match to my skin tone. Then I went in with Sunny on this eye. This is without Sunny, and this is with Sunny. Then I used Hot Tamale to deepen in the red color, and that's without it. So that's the difference. Oh boy. So I went over my inner corner with Tan Lines, which is a beautiful shimmer. I am just, in love with the shimmer. And then I lined my eye with Honey Bun. It's not exactly what I was going for, but I'm just gonna roll with it. This yellow is super bright. I did use setting spray to like get the color to show up. So next in the box, ooh, an airhead. Ooh, now that made me happy. Candy, candy. Lashes, and these are from Dame Boss, and they're cruelty-free silk lashes. This is so cute, and it has a little magnetic clasp on it. Ooh. They're in the style Blessed. Cute. In love with this packaging. It's just so classy. This runs $18. It even has like a little pull tab so you can just pop it out and not ruin your nails. Ooh, band is looking a little thick. I like a thick band. It's a little dusty though. It's so dusty. I've never seen this before on lashes. It's two different colors. Can you see that? Like, is that typical? This is the first time I've seen it. Looks like a roach. Looks like some kind of strange bug. I don't know. That doesn't seem right to me. Not for $18. Let me know in the comments if this is a typical thing where it's two different colors. So I'm all done. Put the lashes on. Finished up my makeup. And survey says I don't like the lashes. They just seem short. And they're not as curly as I would like. I mean, I guess I could use a lash curler or keep my eyes open really wide so you can notice them. I'm not a fan of the lashes at all. Oh, this one's coming off already. Not even gonna reapply is how much I don't really like these lashes. It is time for bed. Makeup eraser. Actually pretty psyched about. And I also got a sample of a makeup eraser. I'll put that there. But I've never actually gotten the original makeup eraser, so I'm really happy about this. And this one's $20. Oh wow. And look at that. It's all designed and everything. I am very, very happy. Ooh, I have to wash it first. I don't want to though. So I didn't wash the makeup eraser just because it's late and I want to go to bed. So I just ran it under hot water. But you are supposed to wash to activate it the first time. I'm just going to try it as is and we shall see how it goes. Alright. It feels really soft. But I do have an off-brand and it's just as soft. There it is. There's my makeup and my face looks good. That was it for the makeup eraser. I am very, very pleased. That was everything that came in my Bijou Beauty Box for the month of July. And the total value of my box was $81. So in case you missed anything, this is the card for Bijou Beauty Box. Everything that was included and the cost. Have a good night. Bye.